Okay guys, so today we are going to have a look at how you can drive traffic to your website using Instagram, because clearly Instagram is one of the major social media platforms nowadays, so clearly it would be a good source to tap into to get more visitors to your website. So today we are going to discover 7 free and effective ways to do so. My name is Dave with Verpex. Very good, so let's get started. Okay, so our very first method is the most obvious one, but funny enough, it is often missed, and that is to include a link in your bio. Now, it doesn't have to be your homepage all the time. You can redirect them, for instance, to a newly launched product page, maybe a featured story, a new campaign page, or maybe a lead converting page. So let me show you a few examples here. So our first example here is from Bloomberg, and as you can see in their bio, there's a link to their website, bloomberg.com/face the data. So this is an internal page, not their main homepage, but regardless, this is linking back to the website. And our next example is from CNN. So they're using a slightly different method here. They're using linkedin.bio. So if you click on this, as you will see, it will bring you to a page here, and from here you can either visit their website or click on any of those articles and go straight to the article itself. So if I click on this one, for instance here, there you go, this is bringing us straight to that landing page. So this is a very nice way to have multiple articles or maybe subjects that you want to cover. And as you can see, Euronews is using the same method as well, linkedin.bio. And our next example is BBC Radio 1. So as you can see, at the moment, they're covering Glastonbury, which is a festival in the UK. So they added a small context here, bringing you all the best bits from Glastonbury. And then underneath, you have a link. So if you click on this, it will bring you to their website where you have a special competition running at the moment. So this is a very handy way of driving traffic to your website using your bio and inserting a link in it. So our second method is by using Instagram Shops to tag products. So if you sell products online with the Instagram Shops feature, you can turn your Instagram account into an online storefront by tagging your products and creating shoppable posts on Instagram. So this is an amazing feature on its own. So now let me show you how this works. So as you can see in our first image here, that person created a new post and this is tagged to their product. So this is clickable now. So if they click on it, this will redirect them to the second page, which is here. And from there, they can make a decision. Would I buy it or not? You have the price, and then you can check out on Instagram immediately. And once they click on this, you can go to the checkout page, and then you can add shipping fee, etc., and place an order. So again, this is a very handy feature, especially if you sell physical products. Okay, our third method is by adding links to your IGTV post, because now you can add clickable links directly to your IGTV post descriptions. So this simple hack is one of the best ways to drive your IGTV viewers to your business website. So the best approach to get more views from your IGTV post is to add a call to action and a swipe up link from your Instagram stories. But that's not it. You can also add a call to action on your IGTV title to attract clicks to your links in the description. Okay, so next is to include links to your Instagram stories. And for this, you need at least 10K followers or a verified account, and then you can add direct links to your Instagram stories. And here's the thing, I guarantee you that this feature is an instant game changer, and there are several ways to make it valuable to your brand. So let me show you one example here. So as you can see on our first screen here, we have an Instagram stories, but there is no link, nothing attached to it. So you can select among a few different templates. As you can see on screen 2, you can add this to your screen, to your story, and link back to anything. It could be your website, a landing page, or anything similar. And as you can see on screen 3, we have the link attached to it. And now we can swipe up and visit that website very easily. And our fifth method is by leveraging Instagram's direct messages. So what you need to do basically is to encourage your Instagram followers to start up a conversation with you, basically, through your Instagram DMs. But not only your followers, but also you can invite anyone to start up a conversation by asking you maybe relevant questions. And for this, you can also have pre-formatted messages that you can use and reply to new joiners. And this way you can avoid typing the same message over and over. Now, obviously, make sure to monitor your inbox daily. So with direct messages, you'll also get a deeper understanding of your audience, and you will be able to link them to relevant pages of your website. So So our next method is linked to all the previous methods we've just discussed, and that is to allow push notifications. And this is one of the best ways to increase your reach, and that is to encourage your followers to turn on Instagram push notifications for your Instagram posts, IGTV posts, and Instagram stories. So for this, your audience must click on the following button, then enable the push notifications and opt in. And now they will receive notifications on their phones every time you post new content on your Instagram profile. And our final method is by adding Instagram profile action buttons. Now with this method, you can determine the reason why someone is actually visiting your website. Is it for them to contact you, book an appointment, or buy one of your products? Now all these actions and more can be added directly to your Instagram profile. Now let me show you. And as you will see, it's super easy. All you have to do is to click the edit profile button. It's going to bring you to your profile section, and straight at the bottom here you have action buttons. So click on this and you'll be offered a few different options, and then you can add them to your profile sections. So there you go, guys. These are 7 free and effective ways to drive traffic to your website from Instagram. I hope you found this helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, and also please consider subscribing to our channel for more of these practical tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video.